Welcome all. Here I'll go with the remaining DraftSet tools. So that is code, text and the pattern along path. I'll switch by using here the text along path or the curve. I'll go to text, select curve path, I'll select this curve and here I'll define. You can even define the size 3 and the width 2 and the between distance is 2. You can change the font and select. We can redefine Times New. Click OK. Here, once that is done, I need to do the pattern along the path. I'll go to pattern, I'll select the path, I'll define the entities, these, this and these. Enter. Define the path, enter. Go to pattern, select the path and number of instances is 4 and equally divided. I'll activate and here the path is this, entities are this. Hit enter. If you want to see the preview, hit enter. Change the number of counts to 4. Angle is 90. Take the preview. Click OK. So this is how we will pattern along. Code, text and pattern along paths. Thank you for watching.